Hello, my friends, Amy D. Cohen. So I want to talk to you today about income streams. What are income streams? How do you use them? Why do you need them? If you're a woman in business and you have maybe an office or you are an online business, when you're in an office and you're working hourly, you're very finite. What you could bring in and what you can offer is very finite. You have a certain amount of hours in the day. You could work with clients for that many hours, and then that is it. When you create income streams, which is all different things to offer in your business. So if you're working with people one-on-one, maybe you want to also offer group help, group coaching. Maybe you want to offer workshops. Maybe you need to create other income streams, adding a second specialty to your business in order to grow and expand it so that you are not relying on that hourly income, but you can be making money while you sleep. You can be helping people while you sleep, creating all sorts of help. Maybe doing a video series that people can purchase. If you are a massage therapist or a nutritionist, creating videos that people can purchase and download and use for their family. Your coach is going to help you. There's many different ways to grow your business. It's about what you resonate with, what works for you, what is going to help your clients. Do you want to expand? Do you want to grow into another specialty? If you don't have a specialty, that is the most important thing to focus on. You cannot really be a jack of all trades. You really want to focus in on the niche audience that needs you and create income streams for them. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please ask me below. Come join my Facebook page. I'm listing it below where you're going to get all sorts of information, all sorts of videos on how to grow your business, how to get to 6 figures quickly, how to get more clients, how to help more people. Take care, my friends. Amy D. Cohen.